Thank you. That's singing in the rain, that's it.
Wonderful.